In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to your bank account. So first you need to do is open up your Cash App and then click on this home button or the balance that are displaying at the bottom. So simply click on that and this will take you to this page. So from here you have to click on this Bitcoin tile. So simply click on that and then this will open up this window. From here you can see your current Bitcoin amount that you have in your wallet. Now if you want to add amount to your bank account, first you have to sell your Bitcoin. So you can click on this sell button and then you have to amount that you want to sell. So you can enter any amount and then click on this next button. So once you have to do that, this will show you this confirmation window. So from here simply click on this confirm button and your Bitcoin will be sold out. So once the Bitcoin has been sold out, what you have to do is just transfer the amount that you have in your cash balance. So to transfer that money, you have to click on this withdraw button, or this will also be labeled as cash out. So simply click on that and then this will open up this window. So from here you can adjust this slider to change the amount. So you can just keep it at the full range to withdraw all the money in your account, or you can just simply slide it on the left side to withdraw this, to decrease this amount. And once you have satisfied with the amount, you can click on this cash out button and your money, and this will show you the two options that you can use. So first is the standard and second is the instant. So keep in mind that if you use the instant option, you have to pay the 25 cent as a fee. So simply select the option that you want, and once you do that, your amount will be transferred in your bank account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.